Why is Microsoft giving legitimacy to Linux instead of demonizing it to stop people from using it? Legitimacy is earned, it is not given. Microsoft, in the era of Bill Gates and then Steve Ballmer, did try to demonize Linux. It even paid people to write disinformation and FUD about Linux, including a book which falsely claimed that Linus Torvalds plagiarized Linux from Minix. It took public statements from Andrew S. Tannenbaum, the author of Minix, to clear Linus' name on that one, but you still occasionally hear this lie more than 20 years later. Despite Microsoft's best efforts in that era, Linux grew in popularity. It has never displaced Windows from the desktop, but it is by far the #1 enterprise OS in the world, used on 96.4% of all web servers in the world, and with a similar market share in other enterprise segments. Most people use some form of Linux every day and don't even realize it. All Android smartphones and nearly all smart devices run on the Linux kernel. Linux therefore earned its legitimacy based on merit. Microsoft no longer attacks Linux because after pushing out Ballmer, it realized that a vital part of its future as a company was based on providing software, data center, and infrastructure for enterprise computing, and that Windows was only secondary to this. So Microsoft has made its peace with Tux, and provides services and interoperability with Linux now. Continuing to fight Linux would only be bad for business. By working with Linux rather than against it, Microsoft has a place at the table with people who develop Linux itself and the tools that go with it.